Yeah, good evening children. Welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. So let us go to the today's class. So in our previous class we have discussed about the trigonometry topic, right? So mainly there are 6 ratios. What are the ratios? Yeah, sin theta, and second one cosine. Cosine is nothing but cos theta. Actually we should write this one cosine. Okay, na? So cos theta, tan theta, cot theta. Theta is nothing but it represents the angle. Okay, and cosecant is secant. Cosecant theta and secant theta. Cosec theta, sec theta. So what are the ratio of sine? Sine ratio is opposite side by hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, the sine ratio represents opposite side by hypotenuse, and cos ratio is represent adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta represents opposite side by adjacent side, and cot theta represents adjacent side by opposite side, and cosecant theta represents hypotenuse by opposite side, and secant theta represents hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay, na? And also we have discussed about that reciprocal ratios also. Nothing but sin theta into cosecant theta equals to 1. From this we have we can say that sin theta equals to 1 by cosecant theta, or cosecant theta equals to 1 by sin theta. Am I right? Cosecant theta equals to 1 by sin theta. In the place of theta we can write alpha, beta, gamma, A, B, C, anything we can write, because it represents only angle. Okay, na? And same way, another reciprocal is cos theta into secant theta. Cos theta into secant theta also becomes 1. So from this we can say that cos theta equals to 1 by secant theta, or secant theta equals to 1 by cos theta. This is the second one. Third reciprocal is sin theta into cot theta. That is also, tan theta into cot theta. Third one is tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. So from this, tan theta equals to 1 by cot, cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta. These are the reciprocals. Then we have discussed about tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. Then we have decided, and we have discussed about sin theta equals to in the ratios of sin by cos. Tan theta equals to sin by cos. Same way, cot theta equals to cos by sin. Cos theta by sin theta. Okay, na? So these are the points we have discussed in our earlier classes. Now we did some problems also, and that too we have discussed about sexagesimal system, centesimal system, and circular system. Okay, na? Sexagesimal system, English system. Centesimal, France or French, whatever. In sexagesimal system, we have discussed that one angle is a measuring of one angle we are representing with 1 degree. 1 degree. In centesimal system, 1 grade. Okay, na? And in circular system, 1 radian. So its relation also we discussed. D by 90 equals to Z by 100 equals to C by pi by 2. This is the relation between sexagesimal system, centesimal system, and circular system. Okay, na? Right. So let us complete the remaining problems based on the concept. I think we have done up to, I think 6, right? Now 7th question from practice sheet while you are observing here. So that is, the centesimal measure 500 grades. Centesimal measure 500 grades is given. This 500 grades as circular measure. Circular means radians. Pi value must be there. Circular means radians. We need to convert them into radians. According to our discussion, we discussed about the relation between degrees, grades, radians. So here grades are given, asked to convert into radians. That means these two we should use. So G by 100 equals to C by pi by 2. We know the condition, G by 100 relation equals to C by pi by 2. Okay, pi by 2 is nothing but 90 degrees. So G is how much is given? 500 grades. 500 grades by 100 equals to C by pi by 2. C value we need to find. Now here how many times? 5 times. So 5 is equals to C by pi by 2. This pi by 2 is dividing this side. When you transpose it is multiply. That means 5 into pi by 2. That is equals to C. Okay, na? 5 pi by 2 is the answer. So your option is 4. Okay. By using this condition, substituting the values in the place of G, I am substituting 500 G grades, and C value we need to find pi by 2 or transposing, that's it. That's it. Okay, now. So let us go to the 8th one. Question number 8. The unit measure of an angle in circular system. Unit measurement of angle in circular system is radian. 1 radian. Represent with the symbol C. Centesimal system 1 unit is grade. Sexagesimal system 1 unit is 1 degree. Okay, na? Yeah. Check. Now let us go to the question number 9. That is, 9th question is, if 5 sin theta equals to 3, then cos theta. Now the given part is 5 sin theta equals to 3, it seems. Okay. So for this, I am going to take a right angular triangle here. Yeah, right angle. This is theta. Theta opposite side. Angle opposite side. Opposite. For this angle, opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Okay, na? Now from this I am writing that sin theta equals to 5 is multiplying sin theta. When you transpose it, it divides 3 by 5. But what is the ratio of sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. That means opposite side is 3, hypotenuse is 5. Here 3, here 5. Okay, na? So right angle triangle, whenever you see the right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. This one we don't know. Okay, na? So hypotenuse square, 5 square equals to side square plus side square. 3 square plus x square. 5 square value how much? 5 5s 25. Equals to 3 square value is 9. Plus 9 transpose this side becomes minus 9. 25 minus 9 is 16. X square value is 16. That means 16 is a square number or not? Yes, it is a square number. We can write 4 square. So both sides square cancel. X value 4. So I got the value 4. Now we need to find cos theta. What is cos theta? Ratio of the cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? For theta, adjacent side is this 4. Hypotenuse is 5. So cos theta equals to 4 by 5. Okay, no? Please note it. So we applied Pythagoras theorem here and ratio also. Please note that. Shall I go for next question? Yeah, while you are observing question number 10, that is, in triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degrees. In triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degrees. Okay, na? And also given that AB equals to 4 centimeters, this one 4 centimeters, BC equals to 3 centimeters, then we need to find sine A. That means A means here we should take angle. If sine C asks, we have to take at C. Okay, na? What is sine ratio? Opposite side by hypotenuse. But we don't know the hypotenuse, right? What is the hypotenuse here? By using the Pythagoras theorem, we need to find. See here, 3, 4, 5. Hypotenuse always 5 and you have 3 and 4. Here also 3 and 4 only. So we can say that hypotenuse value is 5. Okay? You can, because we already did in the previous problem, right? Yeah. Now sine A. According to A, this is angle A. According to A, what is the opposite side? Hypotenuse is common. Opposite side, adjacent side only we should identify. Opposite side means it never touches A. Here, this AB and AC both are touched with A, but BC is not there. So BC is the opposite side. Opposite side by hypotenuse. So for A, opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So BC value is 3 and AC value is 5. So our required answer is 3 by 5. Now we are going to exercise 1. So what is that exercise 1 first problem? That is 330 degrees equals to dash grades. First question, 330 degrees, this degree symbol to dash grades. So what do we use? We need to use the relation between degrees and grades. So we know the condition, degree by 90 equals to grade by 100 equals to C by pi by 2. So we want only these two. So I am taking the degrees 330 here. 330 by 90 equals to Z value we need to find by 100. Do cross multiplication. Before that 0, 0 cancel. Cross multiplication 9 into Z, 9Z equals to 33 into 100, 3300. 33 into 100, 3300. From this, Z value 3300 by 9. Again, both are coming in 3 table. 3 3s, 3 11s. So, grade equals to 1100 by 3. 330 degrees is nothing but 1100 by 3 grades. That is the answer. Okay, no? Yeah, please check. Next problem. Problem number 2. So that is 3 pi equals to dash. 3 pi radians equals to dash. But while going through the options, that means we have two options, right? We can express this one into grades and degrees also. But let us see the options. Options are given in degrees, so we need to convert it into degrees only. So that means d by 90 equals to c by pi by 2. Okay. So 3 pi radians is given. That means d by 90 equals to, in the place of c, we should substitute 3 pi radians. That means 3 pi. This pi by 2 while you are writing like this, or transpose pi by 2 fraction, no? Taking to the numerator, it is 2 by pi. 2 by pi. Pi cancel. Here 6 will be there. So d by 90 equals to 6. D equals to 6 into 90. 6 90s are 540 degrees. Or simply, you can remember that pi value is 180 degrees. You can remember that pi value is 180 degrees. Then 3 into 180, because 3 pi values, no? 3 into 180, 3 180s are 540. Like this also, if you remember like this. Because pi by 2 is nothing but 90 degrees, right? Circular system, one circle rotation means it will takes 360 degrees, dividing into 4 parts. Okay? 4 parts means each one degrees, nothing but pi. Pi by 2, 90, 180. Like that. 540 degrees is our answer. Next, second question, 200 grades. But here both options are there. 200 grades are given. So grades we can express in degrees as well as radians also. So let us take the both of them. So degree by 90 equals to grade by 100. First grades I am expressing into the degrees, and grades I am going to express into the radians also. Okay, both answers we will try to find. Then which is our suitable option we can choose. Okay, d value as this d by 90 equals to grades 200 is given. 200 by 100, that means 2. So 2 into 90, 2 90s are 180 degrees. 100 grades, that means 200 grades is nothing but 180 degrees. Now here, this is also 2 times cancelled. 2 equals to c by pi by 2, that is equals to c 2 into pi by 2, because pi by 2 is dividing this side. When you transpose, it is going to multiply. Numerator to denominator to cancel, c value equals to pi. Okay, na? Through the options we have 180 degrees, but pi value is not given. So option 1 we need to choose 180 degrees. Okay, na? Now let us go to the next question. Question number 4. So that is, in triangle ABC, AC equals to 25 centimeters. Triangle ABC, AC equals to 25, BC equals to 7, AB equals to 24. Among them, highest side is 25. So this will be AC, and here B will be. So right angle at B. So BC value is 7. This one is 24. Then cosecant A. According to A, we have to take cosecant A. Cosecant A means what? Inverse of sin theta. Sin theta is nothing but 1 by cosecant theta, or cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. So cosecant theta ratio, actually cosec A ratio is hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse is same for anything, 25. According to A, what is opposite side? BC. So 7. Answer is 25 by 7. Okay, na? Yeah. Next, question number 5. Sin square theta into cosecant square theta. Sin square theta into cosecant square theta. Both are reciprocals, no? So both are reciprocals means answer is 1. Sin reciprocal, cosecant to cosecant reciprocal 1. But squares are given, no? 1 square. 1 square value 1 only. Because a square into b square, according to this one, a square into b square, we can write a into b whole square, no? Same way. A into b means sin theta into cosecant theta, answer 1. 1 square value 1 itself. Like law of exponent. In next class, we are going to discuss about the compound angles and most important trigonometric identities also there. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta 1. These we have to discuss about the 3 identities. Then we need to go for complementary angles of a trigonometric ratios, complementary angles. Then compound angles also we are going to discuss. Then after multiple angles. Okay, na? Right. So next question. That is one diagram also given, that is triangle. Here theta angle is represented with the theta here. So 3, hypotenuse is 4, opposite side is 4 for theta. Now the value of sin theta plus cos theta as per the adjacent triangle. We need to find the sin theta plus cos theta as per adjacent angle, adjacent diagram. Sin theta means what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. According to angle, theta is given. Theta is here. Opposite hypotenuse, adjacent. This is opposite. This is adjacent side. Sin ratio, opposite by hypotenuse. Cos ratio, adjacent by hypotenuse. Both the denominators are same. We can add the numerators. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 by 5 is our answer. Done. Question number 1. Very easy problems these are all. So the gradient system, 1 grade equals to dash minutes. 1 grade equals to 100 minutes. 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. Okay, na? 100. So option 2, 100. Second one, 800 grades equals to dash degrees. 800 grades equals to dash degrees. Grades and degrees relation you should take. Degree by 90 equals to grade by 100. 800 grades means 8 by 100. 800 by 100. 8 times cancel. So d by 90 equals to 8 times. 90 is dividing this side, transpose that side. 90 into 8, 720. And 8 is 72. 720 degrees. That is the answer. Question number 9. Now observe here, this one, the circular measure theta, the angle is given, that is 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3, that means the radians, angle is given in radians. Then in sexagesimal measure is, we need to convert them into sexagesimal measure. Okay, na? Sexagesimal means what? D by 90 degrees equals to C by pi by 2. Or I told you to remember that the pi value is 180 degrees. Pi value is 180 degrees. Let us try to simplify here. In the place of pi, I can write 180 degrees, 180 by 3. 3 table 180 60 times. 5 into 60, 300 degrees. 5 into 60, 300. 5 60s are 300. Okay, na? Next, question number 10. That is the relation between the degree, grade and radian. We have already discussed d by 90 degrees equals to g by 100 equals to c by pi by 2. That you can choose the option. So d by 90, g by 100 equals to c by pi by 2. This is the relation between degrees, grades and radians. Okay. Let us go to the next problem. So that is 11th one. Yeah. So the sexagesimal measure 40 degrees in radian measure. 40 degrees in radian. So use it. D by 90 equals to C by pi by 2. Okay, na? So in the place of D, degrees 40. So 40 by 90 equals to 0, 0 cancel. Yeah, 4 by 9. This pi by 2 is dividing when you transpose, multiplies. 2 table here 2 times, that is equals to 2 pi by 9. 2 pi by 9. Question number 12. Okay. Yeah, let us see this. The values of sin A plus cos A as per the following triangle. Sin A plus cos A, same problem like 6th one. Same problem like 6th one. You try to do this. Okay, measurement is given from the figure. You can identify that sin ratio and cos ratio, then add both of them, you will get the answer. Okay, next 13th question. The question number 13 is, one second. If sin theta equals to 4 by 5, the sin theta value is given, that is 4 by 5, and we need to find sin power 4 theta minus sin square theta. So sin theta is given, that is 4 by 5. Yeah, we need to find the sin power 4 theta minus sin square theta. So we can write sin power 4 theta as sin theta whole power 4. Okay. Same way, sin theta we can write, sin square theta we can write sin theta whole square. Substitute the value 4 by 5 whole power 4 minus 4 by 5 whole square. That means 4 by 5 we need to multiply 4 times. Here 2 times. So I am taking 2 times as common. Here still 2 times remains. 4 by 5 whole square minus 1 remains. Simplify this one. So 4 square value 16, 5 square value 25. Here also 16 by 25 minus 1. It is looking like mixed fraction, that is 16 by 25 into 25 ones are 25. 16 minus 25 is minus 9. Minus 9 by 25. Now multiply, denominator both are same numbers. 25 25s are 625. Here plus into minus, minus 16 nines are 16 nines are. So 90 plus 54, 144. So answer is minus 144 by 625. So in a triangle ABC, AB value, BC value, AC all are given. So according to diagram, so let us try to diagram right angle triangle. We need to take what is the highest value among the sides? 13. That means 13 is AC. AC value 13. Here you should take B. ABC triangle is given now. Right. Still AB value is 12 and BC value is 5. That means right angle at B. Okay. Now we need to find sin A cos A plus sin C cos C. Both sides we should use. Sin A cos A plus sin C cos C. Sin A according to A, opposite sin ratio, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite means for according to A 5. 5 by hypotenuse is 13 into cos A. According to cos A, cos ratio adjacent by hypotenuse. According to A, adjacent is 12. Hypotenuse is 13 as it is. Next, sin C according to C, sin ratio opposite by hypotenuse. According to C, opposite is 12. 12 by 13 into cos C, cos value 13. Same answer will come, right? Denominator 169. 13 13s are 169. Here also 169. 5 12s 60. Here also 5 12 60. 60 plus 60 120. That is 120 by 169 is our required answer. Second option. Okay na? Let us go to the next question. Question number 15. Yeah, that is last 10 minutes, I think so. Right. So question number 15, the value of cos square theta minus sin square theta as per the triangle. So you try to find this value, okay, by your own. So observe the triangle clearly, identify the sin ratio, cos ratio, then substitute the value in cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, na? So let us go to the question number 16. The 16th question is minus 3 pi by 6 radians in degrees minus 13 pi, or not 3, it is 13 pi by 6. I told you, just remember pi value is 180. So in the place of pi, write 180 by 6, 6 table here, 6 30s are 180. Next 13 into 3, 3 13s are 39. So that is 390 degrees negative. Minus 390 degrees. Okay, no? Now let us go to the question number 17. The 17th question is, the side of a right angle triangle PQR, the measurements are given. You can find the larger side accordingly. Larger value is hypotenuse. Then remaining two sides also you can substitute the values. Then identify the value of tan Q minus tan R. Okay, simplify that one. You try by your own. Next. Coming to question number 18. In triangle ABC, so this is also same like that only, secant square theta minus tan square theta, but the diagram is given here. Okay, na? So let me tell. In triangle ABC, highest 5. Now AB, BC and AC. AC value is 5. One question is missing, I think so. Yeah. AC value is 5. and B is having the radius, that means BC value is 3 and AB value is 4. Secant square theta minus tan square theta, according to theta we need to find, but theta is not given because sin A, sin B, sin C like this. Sin A and sin C is given means we can identify clearly, but theta is not given, so let us take the theta here. Now what to find? Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta value is 1. Check. Secant ratio, according to this, secant ratio means inverse of cos, hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is 5, adjacent is 4, 5 by 4 whole square, minus tan theta, opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side what? 3, adjacent 4, 3 by 4 whole square. Now this one, 5 square value 25 by 4 square value 16. This is also 3 square value 9 by 16. So 25 minus 9, because denominators are same like terms, we can directly subtract numerators. So 16, 16 by 16 is 1. Okay, this is identity, one of the one of the trigonometric identity. Okay. Question number 18. Question number 19. That is, in triangle ABC, yeah, this one you can identify by substituting the values like this. 19, 20 also like that. So I am going to discuss 21. Now 21, in triangle ABC, yeah, all are same easy methods. Try to construct a triangle based on the values. Highest measurement you have to take it as a hypotenuse. Okay, so 21, 22 also based on the triangles only. So 23 is given, so that is diagram is given, that is here theta is given, hypotenuse is 10, this is 6 and this is 8. So ABC. The question is given, that is tan theta equals to 3 by 8 into K. K value we should find. Tan theta equals to 3 by 8 into K. What is tan ratio opposite by adjacent side? According to theta, opposite side is 6, adjacent side is 8. 6 by 8 is equals to 3 by 8 into K. We need to find K value. 3 by 8 transpose this side, it becomes 8 by 3. Reciprocal now. So denominator, numerator 8 cancel. 3 table in 6 2 times. So K value is 2. Okay, now synopsis 1 completed. So that's it for today. So in further class we are going to discuss about the compound angles, multiple angles and all. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.